that case is suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/879/2017 between Attorney General of the Federation as applicant and Indigenous People of Biafra IPOB as respondent. By that suit, the federal government obtained an order proscribing the organization called Indigenous People of Biafra IPOB in brackets. And now there is a confusion. This Indigenous People of Biafra or IPOB bracket is now misunderstood. You see, there is an existing body known as Indigenous People of Biafra which sued in a representative capacity in the suits number FHC/OW/CS/192/2013. And now there is a body, IPOB,